If you wanted to customize lock screen on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and style. Over here at the top we can make sure that lock screen is selected, and then we have the option to customize it a little bit. We can move left and right in order to choose a different clock. We can also choose a different color and size for the clock by tapping over here. So as you can see, we have these options that allow us to customize the colors and the size as well, which can be set to dynamic or small. Let's go back. Besides that, we have the theme color, but that is not really related to the lock screen itself. We have the option to change the wallpaper. You could customize the shortcuts that we have at the bottom of the lock screen. So you can tap over here in order to choose the left shortcut and the right shortcut. And there is also notifications on the lock screen. And we have more lock screen options, which can be adjusted over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.